Imagine waking up in a city that already knows traffic conditions, energy demand, air quality, hospital capacity, and public safety risks before you even step outside. This is the everyday reality AI-powered smart cities are building right now. In future smart cities, artificial intelligence will act as the central nervous system. It will continuously collect data from sensors, cameras, vehicles, buildings, utilities, and public infrastructure. This data will help make real-time decisions that improve efficiency, safety, and quality of life. Traffic lights will adapt dynamically to congestion. Emergency vehicles will receive instant green corridors. Public transport schedules will adjust automatically based on demand, weather, and events. In cities across the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, AI will reduce commute times, lower emissions, and prevent accidents. It will predict traffic patterns before problems occur. Energy grids will become intelligent, distributing electricity efficiently. They will learn consumption habits, integrate renewable sources, and prevent blackouts before they happen. Homes and offices will communicate with city systems to optimize heating, cooling, and lighting. This will reduce costs and environmental impact. Waste management will shift from fixed schedules to AI-driven collection routes based on real-time usage. This will cut fuel consumption and improve cleanliness. In healthcare, smart cities will monitor population-level health trends and predict outbreaks. They will optimize ambulance routes and ensure hospitals are staffed and supplied according to real-time needs. Public safety will be enhanced through AI-powered surveillance systems that detect unusual behavior, accidents, or emergencies instantly. This will allow faster response times while raising important discussions about privacy, transparency, and civil rights. Education systems will benefit as AI analyzes learning patterns across communities. This will help cities invest in schools, training programs, and digital access where they are needed most. Urban planning itself will be transformed, with AI simulating future growth, climate risks, housing demand, and infrastructure stress years in advance. This will allow governments to make smarter long-term decisions. Citizens will interact with their city through AI-powered assistants that help them pay bills, report issues, access services, and receive personalized alerts. However, this future also brings challenges, including data security, algorithmic bias, and the need for strong governance. We must ensure AI serves people rather than controls them. Over the next decade, smart cities will not just be about technology, but about creating responsive, human-centered environments. AI will quietly work in the background to make daily life safer, cleaner, faster, and more sustainable. The city of the future will no longer be a static place. It will be a living system that learns, adapts, and evolves alongside the people who call it home.